All right, Dick Rochfort here, pilot trainer for the PA-46 aircraft. This is the G3000 suite in the Piper M600 Meridian.
Flight level 290. 290.
And now looking at this Nexrad, you'd think that we might have to deviate. Looking at the radar, I'd say no, we don't have to deviate. And the way we break that tie, if we could, if we needed to, if you're studying how to use radar and you wanted to corroborate radar, you could simply use the Mark 1 eyeballs. Just look outside. And so until you get comfortable with a picture of a radar and what it represents, don't fly at night. Once you're comfortable with the radar, you can more or less use the close-in picture of Nexrad as a strategic tool. And really, for a strategic tool, we ought to be looking 100 miles or further away. And use the tactical tool of radar for maneuvering among weather that the strategic tool tells you is far enough apart that you have room to maneuver. Please go to my website, rwrpilottraining.com, and look through the literature there, which describes, among other things, the PA-46 standard operating procedure. And if you want to know more about it, download a copy of that book and read it. If you have any questions, give me a call. My phone number's on the website. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off.